Profe, sí, ¿qué pasa? ¿Cómo se dice he put in Spanish? Like, he put a pencil on the table. He put, that would be puso. Like, él puso el lápiz en la mesa. Okay, got it, thank you. And what would be we put? We put, that would be pusimos. Pusimos, okay. So like, pusimos el lápiz en la mesa. Got it. And what about you put? You put, that would be pusiste. Thank you. Okay, and I put would be... No puede ser. Esta palabra no, por favor. You know, I actually don't remember that one. Profe, what is I put? What is it? I'm telling you, I don't remember how to say I put. Profe, don't lie to me. Tell me, what is I put? Tell me. Por el amor de Dios. Por favor, no me hagas decir esa palabra, por favor. Go ahead, profe. Dilo. I put is puse. I put is what? I put is puse. One more time, louder, I couldn't hear you. I put is puse. Yo puse. Did you guys hear what the teacher just said? Profe, yo puse. Por esto mismo debería haber trabajado en business.